Good evening, guys. Welcome to Brugge's Maths Academy. Guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss sums based on time and work. We are discussing exercise 11A from R.S. Aggarwal. Let's get started with exercise 11A, question number 1. A can do a piece of work in 15 days, while B can do a piece of work in 10 days. How long will they take together to do it? Okay, guys, if A takes 15 days to complete the entire work, so in one day, work done by A will be, so work done by A in one day will be 1 upon 15. But 15 days to complete the entire work, so in one day he does 1 upon 15 work. Similarly, work done by B in one day will be 1 upon 10. So work done by A and B in one day would be 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10. LCM is 30, 2 plus 3, 5 upon 30, which is 1 upon 6. So if A plus B does 1 upon 6 work in one day, therefore A and B together will take how many days? 6 days. Reciprocal करने का 6 days to complete entire work. बेटा होप सो आपको समझ में आया हो ये सब. ठीक है, जस्ट डू द रेसिप्रोकल. बेटा यू कैन नॉट ऐड द डेज टुगेदर. सी लॉजिक वही होता है यार. इफ आई अलोन कैन डू द एंटायर वर्क इन 15 days एंड माई फ्रेंड बी कैन डू द एंटायर वर्क इन 10 days, हम दोनों अगर साथ में काम करते हैं, इट विल टेक लॉजिकली लेसर अमाउंट ऑफ डेज, ना कि 15 + 10 25 days. मैं अकेला खुद 15 days में अगर काम कर सकता हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, आई विल नॉट टेक 25 days. ठीक है, सो वी कैन ऐड द वर्क डन, वी कैन नॉट ऐड द डेज डायरेक्टली. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वी कैन ऐड द वर्क डन. सो मैंने वर्क को ऐड किया है, मैंने डेज को ऐड नहीं किया है. प्लीज रिमेंबर. ओके, चलो ठीक है. सिमिलरली ऑन द सेम लाइन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लेट्स डू इट बेटा टुगेदर. If A, B and C can do a work in 12 days, 15 days and 10 days respectively, how much time they will take to complete the entire work together? So similarly, either A, B, C है. So work done by A in one day would be how much? Work done by A in one day will be how much? 1 upon 12. Work done by B in one day will be how much? Work done by B in one day will be how much, beta? 1 upon 15. And work done by C in one day will be how much, beta? 1 upon 10. So work done by A, B and C in one day will be how much? 1 upon 12, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 10. LCM is 60. So 5 plus 4 plus 6. 15 by 60, which is 1 by 4. Therefore, A, B and C together will take 4 days to complete work. Beta here LCM was 60, here LCM was 30. Just for your reference I'm writing. Okay beta, are you good beta? Understood both the sums? Please pause this video and try to solve both the sums together on your own. This time, in this particular chapter, I really want you to invest good amount of time. There are good 20 questions for you all to understand. ठीक है बेटा? Kindly pause this video and try to solve first and second on your own and read out the third question. Question number 3. A and B together can do a piece of work in 35 days, while A alone can do it in 16 days. Okay, great. So work done by A and B in one day would be how much, beta? A and B together can do a piece of work in 35 days. So in one day, 1 upon 35. A alone can do it in 60 days. So A work done by A alone in one day would be how much? 1 upon 60. Now work done by A plus work done by B in one day is equals to work done by A and B together in one day. Therefore 1 upon 60 plus work done by B is equals to 1 upon 35. Therefore work done by B in one day would be 1 upon 35 minus 1 upon 60. LCM is 420. Therefore B alone completes work in 84 days. B alone completes work in 84 days. बेटा समझ में आया आपको? Fourth one. A can do a piece of work in 20 days while B can do it in 15 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 5 days. Okay. In what time would C alone can do it? Okay. So work done by A in one day is how much? 1 upon 20. Work done by B in one day is how much? 1 upon 50. Work done by A plus B plus C in one day is how much? 1 upon 5. Therefore, work done by A plus work done by B plus work done by C is equals to work done by A plus B plus C. Therefore, 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 15 plus work done by C equals to 1 upon 5. Therefore, work done by C in one day is how much? LCM is 60. So work done by C in one day is 1 by 20. Therefore C alone completes entire work in 20 days. Hope so you got it beta. Very easy straightforward sum अब तक आपको समझ में आ रहा है guys. All sums are very important beta. Please pause this video and try to solve the sums on your own. You can look at the solution once, but then you have to attempt the sums on your own. Please pause this video. Now I'm moving to question number 5. A can do a piece of work in 12 days and B alone can do it in 16 days. They worked together for 3 days and then A left. How long did B take to finish the remaining work? Okay, great. Let us read out the question one more time. So A alone can do a piece of work in 12 days. So in one day, 1 upon 12. B alone can do it in 16 days. So work done by B in one day is 1 upon 16. Work done by A and B together in one day how much? 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16. LCM is 48. So 4 plus 3, 7 upon 48. But A and B work together for how many days? 3 days. So work done by A and B in 3 days will be 7 by 16. They together work for 3 days and they completed 7 by 16 work. So what is work left? What is remaining work? But work always total work is 1. 7 by 16 मतलब 16 पार्ट में से 7 वर्क हो चुका है. So what is work left बेटा? 9/16 work is left. Now after working together, A left. Who completes the remaining work beta? B completes the remaining work, and they are asking how much time B alone takes to complete the remaining work beta. So now let's focus on B, work and days. B alone in one day does how much work? 1/16. So to complete 9/16 days, 9/16 work, how much B will take to complete? So now after A has left, B will take 9 days to complete the work. B completes remaining work in 9 days. फिर से मैं रिपीट करता हूँ सबको. See, it's like I and my friend are working together. A alone can complete the work in 12 days. So in one day, A is doing 1/12 work. B alone can complete the entire work in 16 days. So B in one day does how much work? 1/16. A and B together completes how much work in one day? A and B together completes how much work in one day? 1/12 plus 1/16, which is 7/48. So A and B ने साथ में मिलके एक दिन में 7/48 वर्क खत्म कर दिया. Now what happens? A and B works together for 3 days. कितने? 3 days they work. So they complete how much work? 3 into 7/48. Because in one day they does 7/48. So in 3 days they will do 3 into 7/48, which is 7/16. इतना काम हो चुका है 3 दिन में. Now what amount of work is left? Remaining work would be, see logic क्या है, 16 में से 7 parts हो चुके हैं. So how many parts are left? 9 parts. So 9/16 work is left. Who does this work? काम तो खत्म करना पड़ेगा. So B comes in the picture. B complete करता है remaining work. So B alone in one day does how much work? 1/16. So to complete 9/16, how much additional day it will take? 9 days. Understood my child? Please go through this sum better. Very nice sum. Please pause this video beta. Very 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 interesting sum. Chalo, let us move to the next sum, 6th one. A can do 1/4 of work in 5 days. Okay, so let us talk about A first. Work and days. A does 1/4 of work in 5 days. So in one day, work done by A would be, so work done by A would be 1/20. Similarly, B का work and days. B can do 1/5 of work in 6 days. So in one day, work done by B would be, so work done by B in one day will be 1/30. Work done by A in one day will be 1 upon 20. So work done by A and B in one day would be so A and B together takes 12 days to complete entire work. बच्चा समझ में आया आपको गाइस? वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सम, वेरी नाइस सम. See beta, we are more interested in work done by A and B in one days. ठीक है बेटा? That's why I found the work done by A in one day and work done by B in one day. Please pause this video. Don't do all sums together. If there are 20 sums, divide into 3 parts, like 7, 7 and 6 sums. It would be very, very helpful to you, beta. बेटा one thumb rule याद रखो. Money, when it involves money, but money will be distributed based on amount of work done या ratio of work done. If I need to distribute money between A and B, I will see how much amount of work A has done and how much amount of work B has done. I will not distribute money equally. Money is never distributed equally. It is distributed based on the work done. So next two sums particularly, 7th and 8th, are based on this concept only. So let's do it. Question number 7. A can do a work in 6 days, while B can do the same work in 8 days. So work done by A in 1 day is how much? 1 upon 6. While work done by B in 1 day is how much? 1 upon 8. The ratio of work done by A and work done by B will be so work done by A and work done by B are in the ratio 4:3. Therefore, the amount also will get distributed in the ratio 4:3. Therefore, A's shares of money will be A's share would be rupees 4x and B's share would be rupees 3x. Okay, मुझे कितना अमाउंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है? 1120. Therefore 4x plus 3x is rupees 1120. 7x equals to 1120. So x would be 1120 upon 7, which is 160. Therefore A share of money would be how much? 4x, 4 into 160, which is rupees 640, and B's share of money would be 3x, 3 into 160, which is rupees 480. समझ में आया आपको? पैसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है तो डू इट बेस्ड ऑन वर्क डन. सो रेशियो फाइंड करो, ए और बी का वर्क का रेशियो फाइंड करो. ओके, फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ वर्क. Please pause this video and try to solve the 8th sum on your own. It is based on this concept only, the same concept. A can mow a field in 9 days, B can do it in 12 days and C can do it in 8 days. ठीक है, चलो. So work done by A in 1 day would be 1 upon 9. Work done by B in 1 day would be 1 upon 12, and work done by C in 1 day would be 1 upon 8. Therefore ratio ढूंढते हैं. Work done by A, work done by B, work done by C would be 1 upon 9 is to 1 upon 12 is to 1 upon 8. LCM is 72. So therefore 8 is to so the ratio would be 8 is to 6 is to 9. So work done by A, work done by B and work done by C will be in the ratio 8 is to 6 is to 9. Therefore A's share of money would be rupees 8x. B's share of money would be 6x. And C's share of money would be 9x. A plus B plus C is how much rupees I need to distribute? 1610. 23x equals to 1610. So x would be 1610 divided by 23. 70. Therefore A's share would be 8 into 70, 560. B's share of money would be sorry, and C's share of money would be guys, hope so you have understood this sum. So you have understood this sum. I'll continue next set of sums in our next video. Please revise question number, kindly revise question number 1 to question number 8 in this video. Hope so you have understood it. Thank you so much for listening us out. Do our next video from sum number 9 onwards. Thank you.